Good morning, class 8. Last class we have seen what is the meaning of migration and what are the types of migration, and now we are going to see what is urbanization. Urbanization is the movement of people from villages to towns or cities. Now we have seen people moving to towns and to cities on a larger scale. And what is the reason for people moving to towns and cities on a larger scale for the last 200 years, that is 2 centuries? These are the main causes for people moving to towns and cities. One is rise of industrial revolution, establishment of colonial rule, and third one is democratic ideals. Previously, before 200 years, that is when you have seen Harappa and Mohenjo-daro or any other river cities, most of the cities they used to develop near the rivers. But slowly, because of people's wants, there is industrial revolution. So people started moving to different places. So that is one reason. Leeds and Manchester, 2 very big cities in Europe. After 1851, people started moving to different cities. Till 1851, mostly the 3/4 of people, they used to live in Leeds and Manchester. They used to live in agricultural cities only. But after that, slowly they started moving to urban areas. Even in India, establishment of colonial rule, because of colonial rule, Bombay and Kolkata, they have developed a lot. So people started moving to wherever there is development. Because there is no development in the peninsular areas, people started moving off from peninsular areas. There are no rents over here. People cannot pay their rents. There is no industrial development. So people started moving to wherever there is development. And one more reason for this urbanization in places like Europe is enclosure movement. People used to use the common areas, but once it is owned by private owner, they cannot use it for communal use. So agricultural lands and this enclosure movement, they have led to large scale migration of people where they got their jobs. So that is urbanization. This urbanization is caused due to push factors and pull factors and push factors. Pull factors means which attract the people to their places, and push factors means which push out the people from the places. See, pull factors means which are attractive: better education, better health facilities, better roads, better entertainment, better economic opportunities, everything in better of what it is now. Push factors means which is not better, which is not good and worse than what it is now. Lack of education, lack of economic opportunities, poverty, flooding, or drought, or whatever it is, which is the situation is not good than now, right? Now let's see the impact of urbanization. The first impact, it has both positive and negative impact. The first impact of urbanization is higher productivity of industry and services. Services means education, health, these all come under services. Industry means anything which is getting produced, that is industry. So higher productivity and better education and opportunities, jobs and all you have in better income. People who have low income here, they try to go to other countries. We have seen brain drain. Why skilled people, they go to different other countries for other opportunities, that is brain drain. So these are all positive impacts of urbanization. Now coming to negative impacts of urbanization, overpopulation. All people are migrating from rural it becomes overpopulated, and we have seen in overpopulation what are its negative impacts. High pressure on land and resources. All people have to share the same land. So it has high pressure on the land. More people are coming on the same land and we are sharing the same resources. Increase of slums. And last one is crime rate in youth. They are not getting proper job opportunities of what they have. They are underrated. I mean, they are under job. So what they do is they go for crimes. So these are the negative impacts of urbanization. If you see the continents, the percentage of urbanization of continents, North America is leading, and then Latin America, and then Europe, then comes Africa and Asia. They are still in the pace of urbanization. 40 to 48% only is the percentage of urbanization of Asia and Africa. And next, let us know what is the future of urbanization. See, the future of urbanization is satellite towns and smart cities. Satellite towns means a smaller municipality which is next to a very big metropolitan city. So Delhi has 3 smart cities: Gurugram, Noida and Faridabad. Similarly, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane, Kalyani. These are Navi Mumbai. If you see, it is as big as Mumbai, but still it is a satellite town, right? So these are satellite towns. For example, if you see Gujamulla for Guntur, that is an example for our satellite city. Guntur is a metropolitan city. Guntur is a very big city for us, where next to us is Gujamulla or Kakani or whatever it is. And next is smart city. Smart city should be having so many things in good, in best. It should be having Internet of Things, it should be having good roads, adequate water facility, it should be having good electric facilities, everything it should be having. So when it reaches the standard of this, then that is known as a smart city. In Andhra Pradesh, Krishnapatnam is given a smart city. Tirupati now it is given a smart city. Visakhapatnam is given a smart city. Kochi, Kerala, Ahmedabad in Gujarat, Pune in Tamil Nadu. Like this, so many smart cities are given. So once people are moving up to cities also they try to make up their standard of living, right? So this is today's lesson. Hope the lesson is understood.